The solemn threshold you have just crossed was forbidden to common mortals. The city of God was a fortress where the whole garrison of mystic votaries watched over the great divine scheme of things. Sunrises, eclipses of the moon, dynastic chains, the bark of night, the bounds of immortality.
The Father is like unto an aged shepherd. His right hand holds the shepherd's crook that gathers in the dust of the stars. His left hand fondles a wild ram walking with him. He is the God of the first day. It is he who is called Ammon. At the very mention of his name, priests bow their head, and mere mortals prostrate themselves in the dust. Sometimes ram and God blend together, and a curly-browed sphinx can be seen leading the flock, like this one, that the sculptor has fashioned in multiplicity to guard the court of Karnak. Time of its full splendor, this citadel could only be reached by a royal canal and a sacred avenue. The pharaoh, aboard his barge of glory, could moor here, welcomed on the holy quayside in the shade of the sycamores by the pontiff and his numberless retinue of priests with their feather fans.
By the sheer size of these ruins, the citadel that arose here was not designed on the scale of men, but on the grand scale of God, from whom all things flowed. The drought and the flood, the granaries and the plagues, dreams and power, death and survival. And if one of you this evening were to voice the question that you are whispering in your house, who art thou, Ammon? The answer would seep from these walls, these lintels, these pedestals, these secret chambers, these piled ruins. For the answer is written everywhere, in 1,000 different hieroglyphics.
I am the father of fathers, the mother of mothers, and the bull of the seven celestial kine. I open my mouth to speak in the midst of silence. I cause to be that men should have a path on which to tread. I open the eyes of all that they might see. My right eye is the day. My left eye is the night. And the waters of the Nile spurt from my sandals.
Sat a little below him, wearing a royal headdress of vulture feathers. Near to the father and the mother is the son, Hans, standing rigid as a mummy, with a crescent moon picked out upon his oblong head. They made up the Karnak triad, the Holy Family, for whom, and for 2,000 years, ceaselessly, complex fortifications were built by the hands of men.
Here, in this place, I, Seti, built the resting place for the holy gods beside the avenue. It is made up of 3 contiguous sandstone chapels. The chapel of Ammon's bark is in the center. The chapel of Horus is to the east. The chapel of Nut to the west. I believe this edifice is worthy of Ammon, and worthy long to bear witness to the glory of Seti II.
Conceived that more than one resting place was needed for the sacred barks of the Holy Family. So, midway between the sanctuary and the river, I brought into being this edifice, a veritable temple with pylon guarded by colossi, peristyle courtyard, pillared hall, and sanctuary.
Ammon, the youthful pharaoh who re-established Ammon in all his power and glory after the treachery of my brother. I have left behind me in this courtyard nothing but this calcite sphinx.
A Nubian, reigning late in a crumbling dynasty, built this central pavilion, of which little now remains, but a specimen of the papyrus-capped gracious colonnades, and an alabaster block that served as an altar for the divine offering.
A pharaoh whose name is lost, so many contradictions are graven on my pedestal. I left the symbolic image of all the pharaohs. This gigantic statue, rising against the western side of the second pylon, clasping to its legs the tiny figure of a beloved queen.
Ramesses II, the grand elder of the Ramesside dynasty, the flame of the 19th dynasty. I claim the honor, more than 3,000 years ago, of having completed this second pylon you are about to pass. At its foot, I faced the sailor telling of the victory of Kamoses over the Hyksos from the east. 2 of my images watched over the gates of the sanctuary. Only the southern statue has remained intact, but it is enough to keep alive the memory of my august reign. For 67 years, I wore the double crown of Upper and Lower Egypt. 3 royal queens shared my bed. The third was the daughter of the Hittite king, the most powerful monarch of Asia Minor. You may measure the vastness of my empire, but to judge the span of my life, know that after her I married 4 of my own daughters, and that the number of my children was 92 boys and 106 girls.
I, a pharaoh of the later period, a king of the twilight, Ptolemy Euergetes II. I built this marvelous gate leading to the chambers of God. The panels are of genuine cedar of the Lebanon, lined with Asian copper. May they open to you this evening and give you access to the most secret, most impressive part of the Karnak labyrinth.
चल